Hi, my name is Cece, and welcome to Inside Your Hustle, where we talk about potential ways to make you some side shmoney and save you some money as well. Are you ready?
Heck yeah!
Hit it! Welcome to Inside Your Hustle. You could turn your side hustles into your main hustle. Last time, we spoke about 2 hot AI tools that you can use to make some shmoney. I found 2 more AI tools that I know for a fact that you can make some additional income and, wait for this, potentially gain a main hustle. Now let's get into it. Next up, we have Midjourney. You have to use Discord to access this AI tool, but it's definitely worth the effort. And with this tool, creating stunning artwork for your brand or project has never been easier. From logos to banners, Midjourney crafts them seamlessly. It's powered by advanced AI. So now I'm on Midjourney. You see, I prompted and I put in pretty pink flowery wallpaper, and I put it in relax mode. And you see what came up? It's so beautiful. Look at the pretty pictures. Because I was looking for some pretty pink flowers so I can have it put onto a coffee cup on Printify. I'm going to take this picture, download it, put it on Printify, and I'm going to sell this coffee mug with these beautiful pink flowers for about $12 to $15. You could do the same. You could put your picture, prompt it, put it on wall, put it on anything you want. You could put it on hoodies. You could put it on plates. You could put it on anything on Printify. You could sell phone cases. You prompt what you want and it'll create that picture, and then you can put it on Printify merch, and then you can sell it for lots of money. Trust me, this is original art, original pieces. So I liked U4, so I upskilled it. That's the one. See how I did that? And U4 upskilled it for me, and look how beautiful it came out. It became even clearer. See what I'm saying? That is beautiful. So now in a few weeks I'm going to show you. It's going to be on a coffee cup and I'm going to be selling it. So I don't know what you're waiting for, but you need to start using Midjourney and prompt it for the pictures that you want to make. But if you can't draw, this is like, forget about it, because I can't draw. This is like amazing. And then I prompt it. You can prompt what you want, put it on anything. You can put it on merch and sell it. I'm making shirts, hoodies. I'm going to do phone cases on Printify, and I'm using Midjourney to help make it happen. So you can make some serious money doing this. Now let's check out ChatGPT. Need a research assistant, a content creator, or just someone to brainstorm with? ChatGPT is your go-to. Trained by OpenAI, this powerful language model can generate content, answer questions, and even engage in a meaningful conversation. This software is a game changer, and I mean it. You can use it to make a faceless YouTube channel. You can use it for resume creation. Sell this usage as a service to people who need a resume. You can even get paid to make a whole media kit for someone. Now let's get into it. All right, I'm on ChatGPT now. All right, so now I put in 5 best side hustles in 2023, and let's see what comes up. All right. Okay. Ooh, nice. Digital content creation. All right, like YouTube, TikTok, Twitch. Okay, you could do that from home. Online courses and coaching. Wow, e-commerce and drop shipping, of course. That's hot right now. Freelancing, NFTs, and cryptocurrency. Ooh. So there you go. That's some hot side hustles right now for 2023. And you could go in deeper, and it can tell you like about approximately how much you can make an hour. And you could just put in the correct prompts and it could go in further and it can explain more information. Like if you're really into freelancing, you just put in freelancing and it can go in deeper. Like it's telling you right now, I work Fiverr and Freelancer. You can go into it and it can bring up more information about freelancing. So this is awesome. And I'm telling you, digital content creation, ChatGPT has so much information on it. So you can make a lot of money if you are a writer or a songwriter, you write novels and you have like brain fog or writer's block. This is what you need. You need ChatGPT, and then you put in the right prompts and it'll help you and it will guide you. So you can make money from this. You can make money writing songs for people, writing stories. You can even make a children's book from ChatGPT. I'm telling you, this is amazing. You have to get ChatGPT. I can guarantee these 2 AI tools can change your life by saving you time and creating additional income for you. Now tell me which one you're going to use in the comments down below. And if you're already making money from one of them, let me know that too. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.